Now you have to answer to my question. Oh, don't worry, I'm not gonna ask you anything you have studied in your classes. But it's the important thing that every human wanna know. So that's the question too. What's the most essential thing you wanna acquire in life? Many have answered knowledge and a lot of many skill, money, innovative ideas, courage, and so on respectively. So what do you think? What's in your opinion the most essential? Okay, let me analyze each. On considering the first one, knowledge, it's much inevitable. Skill is also needed. Money is one of the powerful things which can increase your life standard. Innovation is incredibly good, and everything are equally important, right? But if you have to do anything defined early, you must have the courage. It's a basic thing, all you need. It is useless to have a lot of knowledge, innovative ideas, or anything if you do not have the courage to make it practical, to make it useful in your life, to make anything worthwhile with the talents you have.